ClarityCheck.com presents itself as a reverse phone and email lookup service, marketing quick, in-depth reports for a low initial fee, often 99 cents or 99 pence. The platform promises insights from public records and social profiles to help users vet unknown callers or email senders. Despite an average to good automatic safety rating from ScamAdvisor and a modest trust score, actual user feedback reveals serious issues with the business practices, especially billing and cancellations. Many users report that after the small trial, ClarityCheck automatically signs them up to expensive weekly subscriptions, often around €14.99 or £19. 99 week without clear consent or easy cancellation. Trustpilot reviews are overwhelmingly negative, with multiple accounts of unauthorized recurrent charges even after attempted cancellations. They charge me multiple times. It will not let me log in to cancel my subscription. I'm paying £7 for an absolute scam. Reddit threads reinforce this with detailed accounts such as, I once accidentally subscribed, tried to cancel, I'm not getting an email with a code, call your credit card company to stop the associated automatic payments. The trial is deliberately difficult to cancel, tricking you into being charged for the full subscription turned out to be a scam. Moreover, many complain that after posting negative reviews and then removing or updating them following refund offers, ClarityCheck appears to manipulate feedback to suppress criticism. Some users do find value in using the lookup service itself to identify potential spam or scam callers. However, even these positive mentions tend to be overshadowed by the financial risk involved.